Hi fam, welcome to my channel. I have several things that I am going to be unboxing today. The first of them being Ipsy, and also my Ipsy bag. Is that not cute? That is cute as hell. I don't know which one to go first. We're gonna go with the Ipsy bag. I think is super adorable this month. With the blue and the coral in it, and it is just, I just think the zipper is just cute. It's just a cute bag. It's a really cute bag. Okay, so in this bag, I am super excited about not only this, but the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month. It is the bomb. .com. So anyways, it says dive in, July 2019, dive in. And it says, summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering, budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill, poolside vibes going all month long. Hashtag Ipsy dive in. Okay. And in this bag, it's got everything that is in there. I am in love with this bag. They nailed it for me this month. So here we go. And welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. You know the drill. So here we go. Alright, so the first item that I see is the Urban Therapy Twisted Sister Curl Activator Cream. I have naturally curly hair, as you can see, and I used this stuff this morning, and let me tell you, it's amazing. My hair is not, as you can see, it's not frizzy, and I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. I had to go to work. Oh my gosh, the past 2 weeks I've had 109 hours. Yeah. So, I'm one tired puppy. Okay, so anyways, Curl Activator Cream with coconut, avocado, and almond oils. It defines curls, control frizz, and adds shine. And it smells amazing. Oh, it smells like the beach is what it smells like. So, a curl-defining cream to style, shape, and hold, delivering volume, bounce, and curl definition for tight 2 to 3 hair. Okay. Directions. Apply to wet hair from root to tips. Work through hair to I cannot say that word. Elongate waves and curls. For best results, air dry. That's what I've done. I always air dry my hair. Yes. So, warning, avoid contact with eyes. If this occurs, rinse well with water. Okay, so, this stuff is the bomb, as you can see. It is amazing. It's blurry, daggone it, but yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so I'm excited. I'm excited about this bag. I have been using this. This is the Phase Zero. This is the Phase Zero Makeup Blusher and Making Moves. Want no fuss makeup to use every day? This brand has you covered with versatile, on-trend products like this smooth, buildable blush. And this puppy is very super pigmented. It's rich in vitamins. Oh, wrong one. Making Moves is a coral color. I'm obsessed with coral colors. Blushes, lipsticks. Yes, it's my thing. With a golden sheen from subtly sheer to dramatic, layered it on for a look as bold as your mood. Tip. Swirl a fluffy brush into Making Moves and tap off any excess. Smile big, see the apples of your cheeks, blend blush onto them in a circular motion. We all know how to put blush on, but if you don't, then you know, that's what. But this stuff is super pigmented. It's in Making Moves, Phase Zero. And let me swatch this for you guys. I love this formula of this. It is bomb ass. Okay, so I'm just going to swap. Oh, yes. You see that right there? Oh, yeah. That right there. Sorry. It is. Oh, that's my dog. If you can hear barking in the background, that's my dog barking because her daddy just got back from the store. So, look at my big zit. My big mountain of her. Oh, yeah. I'm mad about it. Okay. The next thing that I got this for free for signing back up with Ipsy. I actually got 2 Huda Beauty palettes. I got the smoky one and oops, I just told y'all what I got. Anyways, this palette I have been using, as you can see. But this is this is mauve, and I love this palette. I have never used Huda Beauty eyeshadow, but let me tell you, I have been using this bitch every single day, and look at that. Look at that. That is some pigmentation. So, oh yeah. I blended it in just a little bit, but as you can see, let me adjust my lighting and see if it get, oh god no. Well, okay, it's all good. But anyways, these babies are super pigmented. Like, look at this. This color is, it's buildable. Look at these. Look, oh my god. I have never in my life owned. These shimmer colors are the bomb. They are the bomb. Look at that. Look at that. That shimmery color. Yes, girl. Wait. Why can I not turn my hand? Okay, but anyways, yeah. See the sparkle? It is beautiful. This palette is amazing. Check out this and this color. As you can see, it's kind of, okay. Let me do a swatch. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Ooh, I love this palette. I love this palette. And look at that one. And we'll put her right here. Oh yeah. Yes, girl. You can use that as a highlight, of course. But yeah, this palette, oh. This palette's the bomb. I mean, thebomb.com. Yeah. So anyways, I just rubbed all of them on my hand. But yeah, that is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, which I got for free for signing back up with Ipsy. Yeah. You had to do it before the end of June, and so yeah, I was just in time. Okay, so the next thing is, and I love this color. I love this formula. It is the Smashbox Cosmetics Always On Liquid Lipstick in Babe Alert. This is beautiful color. It is highly pigmented. It's like a rose. It's like a mauve. It's like a mauve nude. It's, oh my god, it is so pretty. The formula is absolutely amazing. And that's the applicator, of course. And I know I have lipstick on. I have on Jeffree Star. He won't mind if we put Smashbox over top of him. Jeffree won't mind. Will you, Jeffree? Jeffree Star does not know who I am. We'll never know. I don't know. You never know. Maybe about 10 years from now, but I hope. As a beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this color. I'm going to repurchase this in a full size, of course. On my eyes, I have on the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions, of course. Alright. The next thing that I have is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. I have almost used all of this because, like I said, I have been using these products. I'm just now getting to the video.